Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my full crochet locks. Yes, these are crochet. If you're interested in finding out how I actually achieve the crochet, then please look below at the links. If you also want to know how you can style your braids, your crochet braids, your Senegalese braids, twist, kinky twist, and also Faux Locs, then please stay tuned. I've had these in now for 4 weeks and I'm looking to actually have it for 8 weeks, so for 2 months. How I'm maintaining my hair so far, I very quickly realized that I can't actually use too much like edge control and eco styler gel for my edges, as much as I love to slick my edges, only because the build up makes my hair then go really messy and then eventually flaky, and I just can't be dealing with that. So how I've actually been maintaining it is literally by water and coconut oil, my two go-to products. And I've been spraying the perimeter of my hair, and I've also sprayed the actual hair, the crochet hair itself, so that it just doesn't look so dull and lifeless. Then I've sprayed it with some oil sheen, some old school oil sheen. Who remembers this from the, Relax Today? Like, I haven't used this in years. Recently I brought it back ever since I've had the Faux Locs because I needed to kind of make it look less dry, and I was using my coconut oil and I thought, no, this is organic and I don't want to use that on full hair. I want to use it on my own hair. So this has been so great as well. But I did use the coconut oil and run it through my hair. I found that it wasn't really making it look like shiny and nice, but this way I can achieve really nice styles, and then yeah, just using my oil sheen. So if you're interested in finding out how I've styled this kind of, updo, which is suitable for, for a wedding, if you're a guest and you've got this hairstyle and you're thinking, oh, I might have to take my hair out. No, you don't. It's all in the styling, and I've had this for 4 weeks, so the edge, so you can see my hair. There is a little bit of regrowth coming through, but we thank God for that. Like for a section like this, if I feel like it's not looking as nicely pulled on my face, I would probably just twist this particular one. Lightly twist it, not too much, just twist it and tuck, and it gives it a bit more of a pulled look. But yeah, so if you're interested in finding out how to achieve this look, then please stay tuned. watching this video. I hope you found it useful and inspiring if you've got, you know, a protective style at the moment and you just want to kind of get some more ideas. What's your favorite style? I think this is my favorite style. But what's your favorite style? This is very kind of like vintage, my type of swag. I love the vintage kind of feel. So this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on this video.